Serial number 8, Muhammad Ali Rafiq, FCA, MR number 5619.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, all honorable member of ICAPS. I welcome all honorable members of ICAP on this short presentation. Indeed, it's a great honor for me to present myself in front of all of you, especially our senior members from whom I have learned a lot, not only in my professional career, but also in my personal life. And I feel very strong to make them proud by putting my energy for ICAP NRC in a positive way. Okay, let's talk about my brief profile. I have completed my graduation from University of Punjab in 2003. After that, I got admission as associate member of ICAP in 2009. Continuing my professional career, I was acknowledged by ICAP as a fellow member in 2015. Apart from this, I'm also a member of CA Toastmaster Club and Lahore Tax Bar Associations. About my professional career, being a young member, currently I'm a partner in Riaz Ahmed Saqib Gohar & Company. Before that, I was a manager there for 2 years, and I have completed my training from SM Masood & Company Chartered Accountants. Okay, let's talk about my personal statement. My passion for the profession and love for the ICAP is unmatched and also uncompromising. While appreciating our past members' endeavors for better ICAP NRC, I also want to offer my skills, experience, commitment, energy by making still a better ICAP NRC. Being a young member, I can inject new energy in ICAP NRC. My prime focus is to look forward and find solutions rather than to look back and find faults. I feel strong about being genuine and listen to and address the concern of ICAP members in Northern region. I know every member is bursting with ideas and suggestions about how to improve things, which I will heartily welcome. Before moving to vision forward, I would like to share with you the NRC significance. Generally, regional committee shall be at all time function subject to control, supervisions, and directions of the councils. Some of the major duties and functions of NRC to advise, help council on all matters referred to it by the councils, student affairs, up-to-date and well-equipped libraries about members, students, members' professional developments, members' employment registers. Keeping in mind all these duties and functions of NRC, my visions and way forward is as follows. First of all, we need to strengthen the bond. NRC is the only thing that make a strong bond between ICAP and its members. Greater communication between the institute and its members by improving experience of members as well as students. CA Pakistan, the brand, promote the brand of CA Pakistan by attracting best talent towards our professions. Acting as ambassador to CA Pakistan by visiting and conducting different seminars, schools, colleges to attract best talents, inviting regulators in our seminars like FBR chairmen, ACC chairmen, and others, nouns, names of regulators. Third thing, professional and skill development. I need to focus on essential professional and skill developments of members through conventional mode as well as technology orientations to better equip the members to handle the challenges. We need to focus to enhance on the use of technology for member learning and development, develop events and identify content which is diverse in thought, results in active intellectual discourse of the members, use of technology to aid enhancing outreach of the events to gain access to international scholars and speakers, promote structured training programs based on industry-specific research, learning on industry dynamics, economics, professional experience of learning professionals. The fourth one, e-library, digital library, improving the standards of current libraries and focusing more on creating an extensive e-library, digital library for members and students. In my point of view, we need to establish Center of Excellence, improving members' library, focusing on skill set and demands, and especially introducing digital library to focus to facilitate students and members. The last but not the least, members networking. We all need to strongly enhance our member networking by increasing members of number of social events. These are my key focus and visions in line with INRC's significance, and I request to vote for me in coming IGAPIC elections. Thank you very much.